What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing some post-race maintenance of the cart. As you know, yesterday I posted on my channel. We went racing at Hoagie Sound yesterday in the oval cart. My first full weekend. Yeah, it was my first full weekend. I practiced, I did everything with everybody. And yeah, so now today we're not going to be doing that much stuff. We're just going to be taking the tires off. We're going to take the clutch off and the chain. So yeah, we'll start with the tires. We get the drill. Let me see if that's a good angle so you guys can see everything. Actually, let me move it over here so you guys could see. First. See how I look. Y'all saw that, yeah. First tire's off. See, we got a little bit of debris and stuff on it that we gotta take off. I think these big stones. Well, the tires are hot, you know, everything sticks to it, so gotta make sure we get the little rocks off. And since they're already used, we don't wrap them anymore. We don't wrap our tires because they're not new no more. But when they were new, we just wrapped them. All this rubber run off, take that off. And we're gonna take the tire and I'm just gonna put it off to the side. Now we're gonna do the back tire. Actually, first let me now, let's get that other tire here. Bring that down. There. This tire's next. Here we go. This one off. Again, with the runoff, y'all know how it is already. And we put, of course, you already know, we put the lug nuts back on the tire. Now I think before I get the other side, I'm gonna before I get to the other side, I'm gonna take the chain off and the clutch. So yeah, y'all will see that in a minute. Left back on. Okay. Here we go. So this is now taking the chain off. And the clutch there, you can see the clutch is right there. First we're gonna remove the chain. Actually, wait, let me actually unscrew the camera for a minute. Hold on, okay, so we're gonna be removing the chain. Let me get you guys a closer look at the thing. Wait, let me find the link first. Where's the we take the guard off, so you can see that guard. We put it off. I already removed the safety clip, so yeah, I got the safety clip there with that. Now that we remove that, we just, that link comes off. There we go. And now that we did that, take that off. Hold on, let me, there we go. Yikes. Nah, it's okay. We put that off to the side, along with our chain that we're gonna have to clean later because I dropped it and it's nice. Well, it's kind of hard to take this off when I got the damn camera in my hand, so yeah. Just trying to get you guys a closer look at that. There's our chain. Very dirty rag. We gotta clean it, but yeah. Here's everything that came with the chain. We got our chain, our link, our guard, and our safety clip there. Now for the clutch. Now for this video especially, I did all the hard stuff. Like, I unscrewed it hard, so now all I gotta do is I just do it with my finger. Yeah, there we go. Y'all see that? There we go. It's coming off slowly but surely. Actually, I think I should screw the camera back onto this one because I need both hands. Okay, there we go. Now I can use both hands for this one. Actually, as a matter of fact, we made a special hole. We drilled a hole in the seat so we can get the tool. When we've tightened it for the races. You see that hole in the seat there? That is to stick the tool that we got, that I used the drill to undrill the tires, and that's used to undrill this so we can get easy access to the clutch. But anyways, now that I did that, we're gonna, same thing with the chain. That's going there, and the clutch should just come off. Very careful with it. Slide it in and out. Anyways, but yeah, this is the bully clutch that we got. We got this on, I think, Marketplace. But yeah, we got it for a good price. This is our bully clutch, and I will be putting the bully clutch on the table with this stuff. I'll make another video later about how to clean this stuff. For now, this is a very old glass table. Be terrible. But anyways, now that I took that off, that's all I left. We have our teeth and the tires the remaining tires are gonna take off. The Alfano stays on. If you guys are ever wondering about that, right there, the Alfano stays on. We don't take that off. But we gotta take we have to spray it with a chemical. I forgot what it's called, but we need to take our exhaust off, spray it with the chemical so it won't rust. We gotta clean our air filter, our carburetor. Gotta clean all that stuff. But that's another video. That's another video. Let me see. Did I? No, I did not drain the gasoline. Actually, I might drain the gasoline in this video. I'll have to talk to my I'll have to talk to the owner. See if I can take the gasoline and drain it, clean it out for this video. But if I can't, I can't. Anyways, but while I take these tires off, I'll just talk about yesterday's race. Yesterday's race was, if you guys did not like my driving yesterday, that is too bad. I'm gonna just tell you guys right now that I'm still getting used to it. I'm still getting used to oval karting, okay? It's not like road karting. I was pulling the G-forces, my body's not used to that yet. So if you see me, you know, start to give up like halfway through the video, it's because of that, you know. But you know, the more we go, the more I'll get used to it, and before you know it, guys, I will be in victory lane. So yeah. So far I've gotten 3rd and 2nd place. So. And my class is mixed. I race junior 3s and we race with box stocks. Box stock, heavy, and box stocks. So yeah. Anyways, I got the drill. Let's finish undrilling this thing here. And then I'll ask about the gas. It's just like the other tire, you gotta play with it a little bit to get it off, guys. Yeah. There you go. I got it. Okay, that was embarrassing, but yeah. Here's the tire. You guys know how it is. Smaller front right tire, I meant smaller front left tires, and a really small back left tire for more grip. Yeah. This back on, and I'll ask about the feel. I led 3 laps yesterday. That was actually a surprise to myself. I thought they were gonna pass me. I'm actually, we had a pretty good day yesterday. We'll be back though with Homestead Racing. We'll be back. Just not now. Okay, so I took all. Oh wait, no, I did not take all the tires off. We got one more. Our small tire here. Here it is. This is our back. This is our left tire. Yeah, back left tire. So, let me tell you guys the rest of the specs. I don't know what teeth we're running. I think we're running like a 56, 50 something. Let me check what teeth I'm running here. We're running a 57 tooth. So. And that's the gear ratio for the track we're currently at Hobie Sound Speedway. So yeah. Let me just move the drill out of the way. Got the tire. Tire over here. Let me go ask about the gas. Be right back. So yeah, I was told we don't clean out the gas tanks, and we don't, so we're just keeping that gas in there. So that's fine. Last part of this video, I'm just gonna gonna wipe my cart down with a new rag. New one. The old one's there. Wipe this thing down here. Actually, I should. No. I'll just. So you get a nice view of the whole cart here. There we go. Okay. We had a good race yesterday. I'll say that right now, we had a really good race. So, wiping everything down. Three-wheel bottom screen because it's a little dirty. It's not really me because we're asphalt racing, not dirt racing, but I guess, you know, just in case we're going to go dirt racing soon. Maybe. Okay, well, it's all cleaned out. Is there anything else I can do? I don't think so. I think that's it for post-race maintenance. One more view there. Those are our materials. We got the clutch, a bully clutch, screw for the bully clutch, chain, the chain link, the guard. And yeah, let me go put this back in. Actually, yeah, go put that back in the shed. But yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys liked it. Comment, like, and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.